This is the entrance of John Bryan State Park in Yellow Springs, Ohio.
Yeah, and you can come too if you want to.
That's right. There you go. Keep right on going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Don't stop.
I'm from Texas, actually, but I'm just visiting Ohio for a 3-week trip.
For the first time ever, huh?
Yes.
Get ready to hold your nose, because it's awful. You get about right there, you're going to smell it.
And keep going. Don't stop.
Hmm? Wait, it stinks?
You don't smell it?
I don't smell anything.
So far, I don't either.
Yes. Pam, we don't smell anything.
No, you all don't plug those noses. They don't smell it, Tilda. Wow.
Keep going, baby. Keep going all the way.
They think it stinks. It's clean in here.
They may have.
They may have an off sensor or something.
They may have little problems.
Right here too.
What? It doesn't stink at all, right, Grandpa?
It doesn't.
Stinks right here too.
Maybe their sensor is off.
Maybe. So, what do you think of the park so far?
It's good.
Okay, let's get you across this bridge and look. There's a little bit of water.
It doesn't stink. It doesn't stink.
Face this way and take a big sniff. Get right here. Get right there. So it was right there before you hit me here.
I don't smell anything.
I don't either.
You don't stand there long enough to smell it.
I don't smell anything. Phil, do you smell anything? Like fish or something? Because we don't.
That's right. Okay. So it looks like we're going to take the right fork here and keep going. All right, so here's the scene that we come up on.
Yep.
You see the river behind us.
Yep.
And tell them, what do you think about the river and the scene here?
It looks pretty. I like the water and the bushes. I really like it.
It's very nice, ain't it?
Yeah.
And the water's just running right on down.
Wait, what does
All right.
somebody say when they smell fish? Okay, guys, today I'm going to throw this walk. And it's the same today, so...
Let's watch the splash.
Woo! Why?
Not too bad. Do one more.
Throw it as far as you can.
As high as you can. Okay. Well, that was bad. There you go.
Guys, today I'm going to cross this. And I'm going to do the... Whoa!
Water, huh? Coming out of the hill.
Wow! It's stompy.
All right, can you finish it up? Oh, you're standing in the water. There you go.
I like it.
All right. And there goes the trail. So now, what a scene. A pretty little girl with a pretty big tree and the pretty water.
I know, right?
Isn't that a nice scene?
Yeah.
We love it.
Steps.
Yeah, you're coming off the bridge, right?
Yeah. Grandpa will always film me on this GoPro, so yeah.
Yes, he will. The Mission One Pro.
Woo!
Good jump. Now going down the trail.
Okay. Whoa.
Yeah, be careful now with the rocks and stuff.
Okay.
And the water's out there. It's all pretty. There's the log jam right there. Wow.
It's way quieter than the
Isn't it?
rapids.
It's so quiet.
I know.
We like it. Okay, so in this clip, there goes my granddaughter. Up there at the top, it's coming down. There's little waterfalls. Comes on down. It's got this little waterfall right in here. And then, right past me. And look at this. Look at that. It drops off right there in a bigger waterfall. And then boom, down there. Very nice, huh? I like it. All right, so I've come down for you to get this bigger waterfall. Is that not nice? And then it just drops off right down to the river right down there. Pretty neat thing. Hope you like that. Great jump. Great jump. I like it. Look at the mud on the shoes.
I got the very crossing with Woo! I made it.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Sit.
I made it. No, I made it now.
Alright, so see that going out there?
Sylvia, honey, just stand still.
And it's dropping
Don't try to go around Grandpa.
down a cliff there. Got a little bit of water down here. So we got this step there. Then this bridge, little wooden bridge. There goes the little girl right there. And then this way. Water. Rock little cliffs there. All the way up. Check that out. Fallen tree over there. Very, very, very nice thing.
I know.
And then finally, look at this rock work here to hold this up, forming basically a dam. Kind of neat. Like it.
They only peck on trees that are dying because the wood's softer. What kind of wood they're pecking on makes different sounds. And they do it like really fast with their beak, and it makes that noise, and it echoes throughout all the wood. Didn't notice that coming down.
Take a big old jump, okay? Take a big old jump. There you go. That'll look good.
Bye, guys. This is the end of this video.
Well, that's just it. Okay, so this is where we started the video. I started one of the steps behind as far as that, but we started here. And my little granddaughter here, she wants you to see this place, and you can see.
And it's gonna be my home.
One day she's gonna live here. And you see down there's a chimney and a fireplace, and on this end, look at all the windows, and there's
There's
the other end.
tables.
See the rafter work and everything?
There's tables too. There's a lot of tables.
You want to tell them anything about this?
It's really cool. And there's more tables on this side too.
That's right.
There's 4 over here and 6 over here.
All right. So we hope they enjoyed the video, right?
Yeah.
And
Totally.
what do we want them to do?
Something.
We want them to subscribe to the channel, don't we?
Yeah. And subscribe to YouTube, guys, because I'm your favorite.
Hi. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.
And we're breathing hard.
Take care of yourselves.